Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Ctrl key not working on Windows 11. I will show you several methods. So first method is you can quickly check your keyboard. So you can try other Ctrl key in the left and right, test in the different programs like Word, browser, desktop kind of things, and you can check for sticky keys. So you need to press Shift key 5 times. If dialog box appears, you need to disable it. Or you can go to the setting, go to the start menu and go to setting. In the left side menu, go to accessibility and scroll down, go to the keyboard option, and you need to turn off the sticky key option like this. And the second method is you need to press Windows and R on your keyboard, type services.msc and hit the OK button. In this menu, you need to find Touch Keyboard and Handwriting Panel service. Scroll down. Yes, it is right here. Double tap on it. You need to select this one. You can see it is set as manual. You can cancel this one and again right click on the area. You can refresh it, or if the restart option is available, you can restart it. Okay, again you need to find Human Interface Device service. You can go to a little bit up. Yes, it is right here. Right click on it, select the restart option. And the third method is you need to update or reinstall keyboard driver. You need to right click on the start menu, go to device manager option, expand the keyboard section like this. Right click on the keyboard that is issue happened. In my case there is a two keyboard, laptop and desktop, laptop and external keyboard. Right click on that keyboard, select the update driver, select the search automatically for drivers option. If it says that is already installed, there is no update, it's no problem. Just close this one and close this one and try to check is there any physical issues there. You can try with a different keyboard if it has same issue or not. And the next method is you can try to clean boot. That will be fix the software conflict issues. To do that, you need to again press Windows and R key, then type ms config and tap on OK. In this menu, you need to go to the services tab and tick the hide all Microsoft services option. Tap on OK, and again you need to come to the startup tab also, select the open task manager. In here you need to disable all the startup application, like these are now enabled. You need to disable like this. So you need to do that for all the enabled applications. And if it is not working, you can check the registry. Is there any issue there? Again you can press Windows and R, then you need to type REGEDIT. Tap on OK, select yes. You need to expand the H key local machine, then after expand the system option, then after scroll down and select the current control set, double tap on it and again double tap on control and find the keyboard option. Yes, it is here, keyboard layout option. Double tap on it. In the right side, if you find a scan code map kind of key, you need to delete that one. Then after you need to close this one and restart your computer. In my case there is no value called scan code map, so I don't need to that one. Just close this one. And the final method, you can try the keyboard troubleshooter. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting and in this select the system option and scroll down and select the troubleshoot. Go to the other troubleshooters, scroll down and find keyboard. Yeah, you can tap on run option. Now it is finding the issue. Is there any issue happen? In my case there is no issue. If you have any kind of issue, it will be shown.